let me take you through how to do this temple fade here. Watch. Start off by putting your skin line in where you want the fade to end. It's very important. This is where the fade will end. Then you take down all of the hair to the level which you want it to be at. Then you're going to start prepping the area where you will be fading. So I put my invisible line in, as you saw, and now I'm just going to lower the area down beneath it. So the 1.5 and now the open one, just flattening that area. Then I go up from under the skin line up to my invisible line and flick out. Keep going up and flicking out. Close the lever. That's where my invisible line is. Close the lever, then go up to that same place and flick out. It's important to put your invisible line in. Make sure to always comb it out. I don't always show it in my videos, but I'm always combing it out in between clips. There was my first invisible line. My second one will be here, slightly lower. Now with the open one, I want to go up to it and flick out. Make sure to keep going up to that area, doing correct strokes. So going through the hair, up to your invisible line and flick out. Close the lever and then go up to the same place and flick out. Make sure to comb it out while you're doing it. My first invisible line was up there, the second one was there. Now my third one is going to be here. So with the open blade, I'm going to go from under the skin line through and flick out on my invisible line. If you notice, while I've been doing this, I haven't been touching the front area. I'm trying to leave that as dark as possible for the shape up, so avoid touching that area. So go through to your invisible line and flick out. Then close the lever a little bit, go from under the skin line a little bit lower and flick out. Now I'm just going to touch the skin line. As I'm just flicking out the skin line, and there we have a fade. It can be better, it will be better, but we've got through it this quickly. I always say, get through the fade and the refine later. We can clearly see where this fade can be improved around there, around the ear. We can do that later, but let me just show you what you'll be doing later anyway. Just little areas like that, you just be flicking over it. But let's move to the shape up right now. The sideline, start at the bottom and go up in a straight line, pressing down and pulling away from the hairline. On the front line, start in the middle, press down, pull away and go across in a straight line to meet the sideline. We want to think about our angles. We want to get about, for me, an 87 degrees angle. Run over it a few times, combing it out, and now we can refine the hair. Now when we're refining the haircut, this is the point when we look around the haircut and look at areas that need to be improved. So we look at areas that are more darker, more dense, not smooth enough. So we're just going to refine it, make it neater. We might have left a little line in the fade. Go over that now. This is the time to do it. I'm liking the way it's looking right now. So now I'm going to wet the hair and then kelking it. Twist it all up so it's all curly all around. And there we have a temple fade. You've been in the cut with Slidercuts. If you've enjoyed this video, then leave a comment and send it to someone who this will be helpful for.